Yo, what's going on YouTube? This is Technically T, and today you already know, bringing you another case review for the Galaxy Note 9. Now I do want to give a huge shout out to iPulse for always dropping me the latest cases when it comes to a new device. So as you see here, we do have the leather wallet style case, and it's actually in the black color. So let's go ahead and take a look around the actual case. On the back, as you can see the cutouts for the cameras, your sensors, and everything up there like that. You do have a nice magnetic clasp here, and that's a good touch because a lot of these leather wallet cases don't have it, and they just tend to flop open, and not really a good design. But this has a nice sturdy magnetic clasp, so that's pretty good. We do have your earpiece up here, so you can talk on the phone while your phone is actually still in the case. Popping it open on this side, we do have just a little rubber case where your phone actually snaps into it. We have one, we have two, and we have three slots. And this one is actually a clear slot in case you want to slide your license in there or something like that. And then we also have a little slot right here in case you want to put some, a couple dollar bills or anything like that out there. This case is really for people who want to be like, more on the dress up business side, don't want to have a wallet in your pocket. You can have your phone, your cash, and your cards all in one, and then leave out the house and you should be good to go. But let's go ahead and pop the Note 9 in here and let's see how it actually fits. Boom. All right, get that off. So here it is actually in the case, and it actually looks very good. Fits very good on this blue Note 9. So let's take a look around it actually. So on that back, as you see, of course, your camera and everything is going to be recessed, so when you lay it on the table, you should be good to go in that case. Popping it open, let's take a look at the lay on the table protection. Now this case isn't made for any heavy duty drop protection, but like I said before, if you have a wallet style case, you already know you're getting some type of, top protection, because it's mostly maybe closed. When it fall down, you should be good. But in the event that it is open, you can see it doesn't really have much lay on the table protection. So please be careful when you do that. And talking about lay on table protection, I do have the white stone dome, so it is compatible with the dome glass. Next, how does it actually fit in here? And it actually fits pretty decent. You actually have to really try to pop it out. It doesn't flex, doesn't get too flimsy. To date, this is probably one of the best iPulse cases, leather quality and design wise, since I have been reviewing their cases. So a huge shout out to them. It's actually, you can tell improvements in their process when making these cases. So the fit of it is pretty decent, not too flimsy on the edges, seems very stiff. So pretty good for the most part. How does it actually feel when it's on the phone? Now, that's kind of subjective with these style cases because it's a wallet case. I mean, there's only one way for it to feel, and this is how it's going to be. The power button here, as you see, you get a nice tactile power button. There's nothing wrong with that. And you get volume up, volume down, pretty nice and tactile, no issues whatsoever. And then we have that Bixby button that nobody wants, as always. Last but not least, let's see if we can pop this bad boy on wireless charging, and let's see if it actually works with the wireless charge. And as you see, it didn't give the animation. Let me see, I'm about to line it up perfect. All right, I'm trying to get it work with the wireless charging. Like I said, this is always live on camera. So let me get on wireless charging. All right, I had the placement a little wrong, but you see it does work with wireless charging, guys. So this is the iPulse leather wallet case. Now this black case will run you $29.99 over on Amazon. Like I said, they do have a brown version, but that's going to run you a little bit more at $39.99. So 30 bucks for the black, 40 bucks for the brown one. But as always, I will drop both links to the black and the brown one in the description below. Give this video a huge thumbs up if you like it. Comment, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I will catch you next time.